Alright, let me get every single eyeball up here. If you're turned away from me, you can go ahead and turn and face me now. So, let's go ahead and get your pencils down, even if you're still writing. Make sure we get this correct. I see 1, 2, 3 angles. Are those on the inside or the outside of the triangle, Lex? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, inside.
Inside, right? So those are also known as what kind of angles, Paul? 1, 2, 3. Interior angles, right? So we know they add up to 180 because they're interior angles. So if you put interior angle theorem, you're good. All right, very nice. Next, linear pairs, supplementary. That's not always the way we phrase it. Sometimes we say angles on a line. Just know that those are the same thing, right? They're supplementary. Which two of these angles of 1, 2, 3, and 4 are angles on a line, Elizabeth? 3 and 4, right? See one line right there. So we can say angle 3 plus angle 4 equals to 180 degrees. We know that because they're supplementary angles, right? And then I see this equation is equal to 180, and this equation is equal to 180. Basically set them equal to each other, or do this nice move where I plug that in. If I plug something in, what do we call that, Amy? Substitution, right? So this is substitution. All right, and then from there, I see that I got rid of the 3 on this side and 3 on that side. What property would I use to get rid of something? How do I take away something? Lily? Subtraction property. So, make sure you wrote subtraction. Go ahead and turn in that proof to the basket. I'll give you 1 minute to do that. And while you're up, go ahead and move your backpack. You need your backpack not to be by you, so you're putting it to the side, up against the wall, in a corner. It's out of your way. All you need is your pencil.
But it's in this one.
All right. Everybody go ahead and look at the board again. We got a lot of directions, so let's make sure we pay attention for a brief second. I'm going to help y'all out. Or you're going to help me out, I should say. So, can you read the first bullet point for me, Dang? Alright, cool. You got a problem in front of you, you're going to solve it in your group. Alright, read that second bullet point. Just into your head. Alright, where are you going to write stuff down, Felix?
Your handout.
On your handout, not my handout. Alright, read that third bullet point. How much time will we have to solve it, Aaliyah? 5 minutes, very nice. And they'll have 1 minute to review the solution. The solution is on the back side. If you flip it over, I wrote out how to solve that proof, so we're going to check that. But we're not going to check that at the beginning, we're going to check that at the very end. Because this is practice for you, not practice for me. So what you want to do is you want to see if you can do the proof, and then check yourself on it later. That's why I gave you a solution. Working as a team, not by ourselves. All right. What direction are we going to move once we're done with our station, Jacob? Clockwise, right? Just like that. And then you got 2 problems at certain tables. You got a blue problem and a yellow problem. The blue problems are easy, and the yellow problems are also easy, just a little bit harder. So I want most of us to be starting with the yellow problems because it's going to be more challenging. If that's too much though, you can do the blue problem. You should be able to do the blue problem, so take a look at it and see if it's going to be really, really easy for you. If it is, move on to the yellow one, okay? All right. On your paper, though, let me borrow yours. You've got one side for vocabulary, that's going to be station 1, and the rest of them you've got a space to fill in your proof for each station. So if I'm right here at station 6, I find station 6, and that's where I write my proof, okay? So you're going to do all 7 of them. So, let's see. What problem are we going to start with? The blue or the yellow number?
The yellow.
Great answer, great answer. All right, starting now, look at your problem, see what station number you're on the pink sticky note, and then start filling it out there. You are allowed to work as a team. I would recommend it, especially if you get stuck. Let's start that one with 5 minutes.
Is it the same stuff? It's right here.
No, it's not any different. No, it's harder.
What is it?
Mm-hmm.
The other one is consideration.
Alright, so right here we're just filling out vocabulary, nice, got our head while it's putting directions and writing down. So
We're doing good. So if you want, you can take a picture of it. If you want to look at it in front of you, it's up to you. Maybe this one. Think about what you know about what angles can you say are the same? Different. No, they use too many persons. But D and C, is D and C gonna be the same? This one, alternate D, which ones are congruent? Are C and B the same? They are. Because they're the
saying there are still alternatives here. See if we can make a proof based on that. Okay, that's a good start.
And then, because we could, what is it?
Just in your head. Just think about it. So you could solve it.
Yeah, y plus b equals 180. Right? Y plus z equals 180.
No, because y plus z is just half of the bodily weight.
Oh, yeah. So x and w is equal to that's the difference version. So then it's equal.
So another way to put it is 2x.
X and w are equal. So we can say that. And then
This one's like this.
And then we can do like, there x plus what? Oh, yeah.
Wow, that's really
remember x plus y, x plus w plus k.
Yeah.
And
So, what are you trying to So basically,
Z is the highest thing, right?
what you got? What's the next step that you could use to connect those two?
I was thinking this. We know that Z plus.
Well, they're not corresponding to each other, right? So you got so you got two parallel lines. So you could say D corresponds here.
so that would just be angle.
Look at this.
All right, take a look at your solution. See how you did. Take 1 minute on that. See if you're on the right track.
Is that actually everyone at the school has given permission to do that? Yeah. No, I'm not lying. Technically. Yeah, your parents signed a paper saying you can be recorded.
All right, go ahead and rotate, rotate, rotate. See what you can do. Inappropriate. Sounds like the homecoming DJs in here. What do we think? Sorry, Grace.